Asante Kotoko lawyer sign. Na udine check kata na se. O say mami hese betima kan kakra. O say management of Asante Kotoko SC would like to address recent rumors suggesting that our club will be participating in an international football tournament in Nigeria. We can confirm that these claims are entirely false and the public should disregard it. Our focus as a club remains on preparations for the remaining league matches as well as the upcoming FA Cup final. Any announcement regarding official fixtures or tournament will be duly communicated directly through our verified social media channels. The last part of your statement, remember in Chechemoso. Come here as a worker, Jones will be a casma momuni. Now, just say, as someone better Kotoko, my momuni say, your verified social media channels. Minimum just an air patra.
Tell me, does say, everybody I come someone for say, Ope Kotoko, a someone, and cry every year, share there. And they were very platforms are all winner. Sani no more in service in it. Inti eto bia na enwo kakra.
Semni bi o ha.
So no bo biti kwa no enka do mra enche kwa no metie nchimu ansa.
Okay.
But no more na akwa kuduro chi na de o ha bia batutu club ni bi se emwa.
Na we net say mu nchimu ne say because onim two sides to a coin. Super Sport for na the fishes bi buy. Bon said there were na na omo kire akansi bi omo kosi or Lagos Nigeria Asante Kotoko din wom minim so hu sa no a untimi mfa nka asem enke adwuma mu de se Kotoko ka kire so ne ha se ko bobolo a kayin kobu sa ha se for se Kotoko akan de agidi entini eso ye de aka asem enam pese ye te ase enie the Echo International Cup 2025 team say ngotwe ne gu isi na tie eni eso ye kan bie ade chi Kotoko say ebosem nka
no but I say when a major event, a major sporting event
carried by a major media house
omutim back home now what about Kotoko no ye di abom so find out from us
oja make say obey follow up with Kotoko but you can announce this
but at least nkamo bati home popo ye ka proud to any kra answer you mention Kotoko no has a bar ebi if in organize and say a 2000 be
the muno mo munya nkita hundie bia o metimi ayi
honestly before cross me join Kotoko I'm told to say they made a move saying go menya Kotoko abaya part of settlement and Kotoko rejected it in toto say Kotoko anyi hu bibia andum no say it ended there in the Kotoko one say from that time is in there yendi o monka biom yen sign agreement o man say amase bia Kotoko de man nya tuye ba se kra say nkomodi bia nko so biom the be one say o mo dey part of o mo ba ye hu say advantage bi o be so mo take o mo use Kotoko a platform no mo dey promote o mo tournament which is not good in the beyond the area ground ye take measures be take action na yare akumi ye man so ha
the last time I take action because I'm sure cat everything about pole said GFA for no nye we action na mass be ende wa
every time
I say na mo ko twema nso bia we mo
this is a serious matter and you know the consequences
mo krata mo de ka kire mo say munsi akan no because the boy say it was hanging
so enye bibia na krata so
me just mo bo mama ne mo tiase mo ana mo ka lawyer for in a language that they understand
sa pepe
say ye moye ni nye ho mo
go straight away of course ye bebo
ana ankoye ye adwene ho
ye adwene ho a say krata se bebem we serious a year Kotoko dumi ni zare se ba ko tournament ya san krata
some sign but mo dwene ho na
from that time
mo nyene ho wie
somewhere in January e be sin there na say Kotoko ya san ka kutan odi bia koso
okay
they don't have anything to show
okay
deliberate attempt say mo di Kotoko din be bata ho na bia manfo ni ani age ho no dia ton bibi that's how I say it India man enso ha ya. You be combium.
Tie no monim da ben.
Oh, nene say ya, you be take action.
Mo take action e be hu.
Ah, why not?
Be say you be hu.
E be official, you be publish.
Okay.
Indi obi.
Like what question buza fa ho ana?
So was there a time because time because there was discussion say Saturn I was no one to know
yeah brief me
say oh but your mama time more then you return back to your with our final decision
time obia am time say because your calendar a guide you know say sabre we be league you be breaky boys no ebi no be outside the country I want take it to ground no ebi ya buka to enti na enti me ko passe wo di bibi ba na say institute your calendar na ye beji woni mu kura say ye ko nwene ho nwene ho bi anim some of our boys be ko om krom aba am ya be start pre-season enti date no ba ye no na hu sade no emwa.
Okay, what are you we relieve them be person be apologize and answer.
Well, omoye into football. You are in the industry, be much national. In the best, you ever find out say the anything omoye sir without ye. No response no.
Never check. Because Omaja so my from so.
Oh, me and communicate.
Me can dey. Somebody say mumu dey ni intimi kan. Obi asem dey intimi kan.
Okay, so
somebody almost say mumu dey almost say e come as I say call verified. Social media. Because the count one van. The grata no na count.
And I'm the account.
And you know, omu dey dey intimi kan.
Bo say ni mumu asem dey.
Omaja tum. So manya dey and Abrantia no Ombeba pacho.
Well.
Na omo say ono be so chese free omo. E free TV no. So some communication issues there in T. HD
Ombeba pacho.
Na priest mu be koy.
O tama your office.
Munam planning.
Your office crowd.
Abrucho.
Yeah, abrucho wo na afi na ye be take final decision.
Na nse mabuchi ya na edensem kakraba.
Well, you baby organizers no wa onim planning won say mebre
mo bi anya we say
ba yen de bibi e be say ko
pre-season supporters in the chisa timo bi an ko pre-season supporters be ko abrochi bi ama mo say bi ma
ore
mi che say na e ko fa asem ba
you tama then o ka sam na ga yen supporters no mo di echi ko ba bia so opportunity no ha
ayo me say mi
no opportunity no dia oni o mo ko
okay
and supporter be ga papa say
enya last year na brandy veterans on mo ko ani no
eno de na make say organizational issues for
okay
but this year I can tell you say asembisi no ananye ya onhwe say bi say bi mu
enya no bi asisi
me ne kasem wo won makon du won sensem so wan hye ni man ya duru ba bia na enya kotoko duru bia kotoko no de enipa bi obeba kwa no o man tam chin so kotoko no so part
okay
na adasa
office bi ne say
oh chama me ntudi but I can confirm to you say
Europe
external officer you be consider bi ebinom ni ayi be see to am help me akọ na dey I part of your pre-season.
Oh okay. Na ayi has there no ye pre-season and say the guy kai someone has be born.
President Kabana na dey.
Ai.
O send dey ya no afa enti no.
Na no dey magia tum zambabo.
Oh nya confirmation official in my
they like this mbabo
oh won say dey
gaka for some mbabo
baby ano 1st July say some of 1st July your body show money na animonyam ten dey I hope say ko do ba yem bubu etikwa it is your money in animonyam
so say her baby he said the name at the end am zambabo
so ko do dey say for Ghana I dey ba kusa Ghana for ni say ko do has elbow
yeah
in the opportunity in bank one there
and because league no we that ben like
league no I think 7th July June also
FA Cup in 15th
then the following week no near about
FA Cup
finals
hey and date na hard you know you stay for 2 and just on better so For to be going got 10 film about 1st July, no. And that should have been part of the rest 6 weeks now. Also, I'm resting.
Someone said breaking the buying. Police issues in the buying affecting him because of.
Next, I could see
Exactly.
Okay. All right.
The time of video, I'm from Master Transfer. What was say your junior side, you live team, no? The young poor occupants, no? Ochana almost started with the league, no?
I'm qualified by saying
second division.
Oh, okay.
Ochana started here your first match at the Sovola Alignment Park in Obo. Now, we should say the agency Konwa. As I got to support us, you have been there's no more banner, the dominant by between first. They say they hear them. Say, Channel.
3rd division middle league.
Yes.
The bus second.
Ever second.
They understand.
Yeah, in under 17.
Oh, okay.
Obia the end 3rd division ti. Only under.
Unya result of one here.
So Kotoko they should have a reason.
Kotoko the end under. But the opponent the end under. So no betimi the 3rd division penny for aba.
Time out now 10 a.m.
So mommy under 17.
Aye.
Come here, go go much.
Yes.
You under 17.
Oh yes.
Under 17, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, 17.
So madam we are minimum 17 going to say qualify.
17.
Okay. Nti ebe mu ye ba behwe omo ankwada. Omo nya mfie dunsun.
Ah, yet to almost that number be sheko.
Baba Kotoko. Okay. Come you say bon mu so omo ye we be o TV no so. Ano pa no mo ye wutim say. No mo.
No ba ya be to be for league no e ko matches.
O ma no ma be bo. Oh, okay.
Isaka against Chelsea no near the number. So
omunie we I adako jaje na
we so fly
park na china boss we on ngora pa
so omu train one so ada 70 dey omu yonkoda
ngora pa utama
omu tinyi na fuka krabat 17 dey so omu ye
to china ko supporters na ya said yes ba
omu nyina ya under 17
obia
na je say omu ye SS4
yeah
you must still omo wo school mu na ade afi no
you can so be a school
oh na sa chama dem fa ho obo go school ntem so say kwamati say go school ntem
na me call ntem
they no say no dey
15 there e na nya normal so be we SS na say is not normal
but omo bo milo na Kotoko place
16 fine but also normally no class 1 you call 6 years until e be na be call 5
obo classes no onya kwa ku school
e be kwa jumping
ko no baby
obo also kwa member back o jumping
you see
o ko class 3 no mse de you dey call one go 3 no call 4
ode ni bi na o de le somo ko do ni mo fa no ka ataka
na o de obi animu
oh na so be wa ka me de o de
oh fine and you understand you mo in the next 3-4 years no I was a woman, me and Zambia.
Sibinum Eco Europe, Binum ko other place now.
Maybe back Kotoko.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
The idea is the Kotoko, a show.
Yeah.
The love of
the best sustained, yeah, can you bad?
I'm not try. But we do not try. So we is almost
started that way.
Last year.
Oh, last year, yeah.
Yeah, last year. And on my recruitment. And I'm register for the division 3. The division 3 no more ball.
And where IMC project?
Yes, last year.
Kojogun.
Yeah, was Nasare Moro. And on my hand over my Amos ne coach Prince.
Amos from coach is Libya.
Yeah, okay.
Only one coach
Prince.
I think this was started by the administration.
Assistant
Prince or by Prince. Oh, okay. Oh, fine. That was my idea. Born the sea,
but to ask a Nibraba, cause
I didn't.
I was a middle league in a dear, no cranny about say, or more on born in yet. Under.
No, but the essence is not for them to qualify.
Or do they want to qualify?
But that shouldn't be. That shouldn't be the problem. Make me say, Krana. Can they keep them at Division 3 or Ukraine?
But so now, I can't put them for now. You know,
the competition level, no, that will bring the best out of the boys. No, between a bit
answer they have under 17, they have under 20. So usually the 17s unearth them.
Yeah.
On what more potential, you know.
Talent.
And that competition never have you. At this stage, you should know individuals within. Like I say, Captain, we went to buying money. Come on, do you know?
Yeah.
Bear 1 or 2 penny about buying. The rest is for the European market.
Yes.
Any at the NTA, he has all name. Division 2 kobo ginga near DB answer. And the qualify my idea, but if they don't qualify, you can say yeah, say good enough. Because those as I got Division 2 no painful moon.
Division 3 no come to painful pa.
Division 3
in other words, I was talking
about more potential to qualify. We there's so be any we they born normal na.
Omo place second and they play second in their group. And okay, last 3 matches.
The teams were able be.
I have to.
Okay.
But say we Kumasi Central. Like Kumasi. Teams name.
Obi qualify from here.
Kumasi.
Yeah, we were qualified.
So knockouts are 32 teams. Almost teams are we last you know.
Almost 4 being a better.
4
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Last one I qualify and then I say it can.
So we dey need to team.
We say no as head of oversight.
But the way can adwuma.
Yeah,
of course as the technical.
So no buy called the 6 bar senior team no more be train na. But I see they be about league ni bio.
In fact, the last match go na to bench. You call baby any.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, against Chelsea, Isaka.
Obamu,
he's a very good.
and he belongs to this group.
Okay.
Yeah. Not a premier with me body. I don't they can play the division 1, division 3 and go.
Chelsea no.
Yeah, I'm park.
Second half of Bayern.
On the call left side. This is how catch me here. And this are also the football no. Yeah, na age too much no. And so that matters. What I say is about conditioning. The almost proper training, that's almost conditioning. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because
yes, almost me and qualifying.
Yeah, me your man. I can't do the Marco fast on so too. Oh, Marco so senior power. But you
heavens be your.
The one call me my love like
my boy for.
Only my life.
Papa I show my boy pie baby Joe. And just this Saturday na many baby Joe.
Don't even go.
And no two they were now describe Kotoko boys no na encourage but not say they are going to face a tough competition because omo so qualify ba no go ha am penifo
is carries I going to carry team no so too
no somebody carries what
division 2 everybody you enjoy football
talent in the be wa na
everybody me good coach no more condition